Hello everyone, let's start. First, make a canvas size of 1920 by 1080. And then take rectangle tool and make rectangle like this. Now fill it with this color code, 0C3559. Hit OK. You can adjust corners by Ctrl+T. Take rectangle tool and create a rectangle of size 1920 by 90. This is the YouTube play bar size. So don't make anything under this area. You can give it any color, but just remember, don't make anything under this area. Now press V, and align in center and bottom of the canvas, by clicking on the three dots, and change the mode from selection to the canvas. Now hide it, so that it can't interrupt you. Now take rectangle tool, and click once, and make a rectangle of size 1920 width and 1080 height. Now press V, or move tool and align in the center. Now press Ctrl+T, and resize it. And place here. Now resize the blue box accordingly. And then take text tool, and choose any bold font you like. I am using Zona Pro Black font. Change the color to white. And make the text size to about 70. If you can't see the character panel, go to Window and choose Character. Now download the PNG of the social media logo. Now resize it and place it like this. If it is black, invert it by Ctrl+I. Now take text tool, and type your username. Now manage the size of the logo and username accordingly. If you are changing the size of the black rectangle, then hold the shift while changing size. Now align the first text with the blue rectangle. And manage or align other things also. Now do the same thing with other social media logos and username. You can copy the username with Ctrl+J, or simply hold Alt and drag down. Now download a background you like. If you want, this background link will be in the description. Now make it big, but this is too sharp. Let's apply blur to it. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Apply it to about 4 pixels. Now take the ellipse tool and create a circle of size 294 by 294. Some space in the corners. Manage the size of the text, as per space available. Now use the same font, and type "Watch More." Press Ctrl+D and rotate a bit. Now take pen tool and create a shape like this. Now choose gapped stroke and do these settings. Manage the shape until it looks good. Take the rectangle tool and make a square, by holding Shift. Take the rectangular marquee tool, and cut half. This will be our arrow. You can move the selection by holding spacebar. Now convert it into a smart object. Press Ctrl+D and resize it. And place it like this. Now increase the size of the text. Make the black rectangle color to white. Delete the rectangle we made for the YouTube play bar. Now you can manage any object, just remember to leave some space. And align objects to their other respective objects. Please watch the video till the end, there are some steps left. In this box, you can place your thumbnail or your video ending. This is just the alignment process. You can create like this also. I made this before recording this tutorial. And if you want to learn how to add glow, check the video right up there. Here I want to make a shadow of that blue box. First, make a duplicate of that box by Ctrl+J, and drag down. And fill it with black color and make it a smart object, then apply the Gaussian blur to about 40 pixels. And move it forward a bit. Now reduce the opacity to about 80%. If you want to add shadow you can use drop shadow, or make shadows like this. This is how professionals make shadows. That's it for this tutorial, see you in the next video.